Hi, my name is Mauna and he was my son. His name is Mohammed Mifshan. We know about testamedicity through my friend and he was treated by Dr. Akbar and he is getting pain attacks every half an hour and the doctors and staffs are very familiar and this hospital is very good for me and all the staffs are also very friendly and cleaning purpose and food. I like it. Now his condition is getting better. 70% now improvement is there. Now Dr. Akbar treat well and stop that all pain attacks and he will be very good now condition.
So this boy Mohammed Mifshan was referred from Maldives with a very difficult epilepsy. So he was told to have a difficult epilepsy and he was on around 6 medications for an epilepsy. So we were initially working with the diagnosis of a refractory epilepsy when this child had these very bizarre episodes. So one of the episodes I witnessed when the child became almost totally breathless. He was crying and then he became very red and then he started sweating and then he sort of vomited big. But surprisingly, after that episode he had a big smile on his face. Now this was quite unusual for a child with epilepsy to have a seizure like episode and to smile after a particular episode. Now the mother says that this child continues to having these particular episodes right from the birth till at this point when the child is around 5 years of age. So and then looking back retrospectively, it was very sure after seeing an episode that this episodes cannot be a seizure because the child starts to smile after a particular event, and then we could actually make out that the child is having a severe pain where he starts crying and then becomes blue and then red and then starts sweating and then he starts smiling again. So now this is a very rare genetic condition which is actually not an epilepsy but a pain related disease, and this is known as paroxysmal extreme pain disorder. So this is a sodium channelopathy and it's a genetic disorder which we could later on confirm with the help of a genetic test, that is a gene sequencing, which had shown a sodium channel mutation in this particular child. So now this child medications when then changed to pain relieving medications like carbamazepine and lacosamide, and the child had shown dramatic improvement over the last 1 to 1.5 months of treatment, and he's now having very few pain episodes, only maybe around 2 to 3 episodes in a day, whereas initially he used to have around 30 to 40 pain attacks in a day. So this is a difficult disease, paroxysmal extreme pain disorder, but then with proper management of pain, where we have taken the help of our pain specialist Dr. Ramkumar as well, he is expected to improve over a period of time. Thank you.